Fernando Welcome to Pampanga, guys. For today's video, another great discovery. Natagpuan po namin to itong bagong Mediterranean food truck. This is called Kikabobs and this is located along Mcarthur Highway, Dolores, city of San Fernando, Pampanga. It is actually sa parking lot ng Tiger Sugar. So guys, I wanna show you more kung ano yung mga sinaserve nila dito. Samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Before we get inside, actually you can dine dito sa alfresco ng Tiger Sugar or you can actually dine also inside. But I suggest during the evening, ang gandang ambience ng Tiger Sugar. Kung take out naman, you can park habang hinihintay nyo yung niluluto yung Kikabobs natin. You can also order dito sa Tiger Sugar. So let's get inside. The food is actually ready sa table natin. Tara! So much Kikabobs for inviting us, and of course Tiger Sugar, side note na natin siya kasi we are actually inside yung dining niya. On our table we have 4 plates, but basically as of now so 2 dishes. So we have the beef and the chicken. Now you can order single beef, which is this one. You can also order double beef, and then susunod naman is yung chicken. So you can order the chicken or the combo, which is this one. So meron tayong beef, meron din tayong chicken. Let's dig in! Alam niyo naman guys, yung mga Mediterranean food, para sa akin, ang sarap ng mga spices na ginagamit nila. Napaka-flavorful, super savory yung mga pagkain nila. However, yung mga spices natin dito, hindi siya ganun kalakas according to our orientation with the owner. Medyo tinailor siya sa mga panlasa ng mga Pilipino. Dahil nga may mga Filipino na overpower sila sa mga spices ng Mediterranean food. But this one, it is actually tailored sa Filipino taste natin. Each plate meron tayong mga basmati rice. Ito yun guys. And then on top, meron tayong butter. So you just have to mix everything up like this. So yun, we just have to mix everything up. So alternatively, you can actually add itong garlic sauce natin and hot sauce. Another plate. Whew. Sir, thank you. Look at this. Di ba? Ang ganda, ang ganda. Ko-compare ko siya sa tao, yung chicken breast natin para siyang dalaga. Let me taste first yung beef kebab natin without anything. Ayan, so this is as is. Take note guys, this is pure 100% beef, no extender, no additives. Just the pure beef meat plus yung mga spices nila. First impression, tama nga it's not too strong for the taste. To add acidity or sourness, so you can include grilled tomato. Plus additional kebab tayo. Yan, like this. On top. Stays it. Fresh tomato, grilled tomato, plus the kebab. Like that. So tingnan naman natin ngayon with their own garlic sauce. Wow, level up. Laki ng kamatis. This is gonna be the last. Tapos move on na tayo dun sa chicken. Ayan guys. Let's go to the chicken part. I wanna add in another drizzle of white garlic sauce. Plus, this time, I wanna add in baka naman, mother's best. Ayan. Gusto ko guys, medyo marami. I think yun yung sound ng foodpanda. So, actually, si Kikabobs is also available sa foodpanda and GrabFood. So, make sure to check them out. If you don't want to leave your house, your office, and gusto nyo tingnan to guys, check them out. They are available on those platforms. Yun. For the first time, let's try the chicken. Grabe guys, I'm surprised. Yung chicken natin is very tender. Plus, pumasok yung smoky taste nung ano natin, ng griller natin. Nga pala, so these are flame grilled. Sobrang infused nung ano, yung smoky aftertaste. Woo! It is so tender, although it is flame grilled. Tenderness, yung moist niya or juiciness niya, it didn't escape. Hindi nawala yung pagka-juiciness niya. Alright, grabe. Another food discovery. Sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, this is a Mediterranean, different kind of Mediterranean food dahil nga sa mga Filipino na masyadong na-overpower sa mga authentic Mediterranean food. And this one is for you guys. This is tailored para sa panlasang mga Filipino. And at the same time, yeah, this is available dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga. It's just along Mcarthur Highway. Thanks so much, Kikabobs, for inviting us. Thank you so much, guys, for being with me in this video. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Until next time, peace out, guys. Bye-bye.